am doing an Amazon and Walmart unboxing. My daughter graduated, so we got some stuff for her graduation. All the links are in the description box below. Have a great day. Like, comment, and subscribe. All right, everyone. So I am doing an unboxing for a graduation, which everyone should know that my daughter is graduating. So I ordered some stuff from Amazon, some amazing items, and I wanted you to see what I ordered. And this is a graduation. You've ever seen the signs that be in people's yards saying congratulations grad or 2022. Now this is what this is, and I ordered from Amazon. I was gonna make these myself because I do know how to make them, but my time started running out, so I just went ahead and ordered them. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open these. I'm gonna go ahead and put them outside. Today is Sunday, so I got some other things that I need to do, but we're gonna go ahead and open this. Go ahead and get it outside in the yard so that you can see it. But let me open it and show you how it looks. All right, so I've already opened it, and this is how it looks. My daughter's school colors is blue and yellow, but I'm doing, when I can't find yellow, I just do gold. I mean, it's pretty much just, you know, kind of the same thing. All right, so there's the N. This is the G, and that is super cute. Look at that, y'all. All right, and the little stakes is going to be going up in these little holes here. All right, and this is a D. All right, for the D in graduate. All right, you can tell this is an R. All right, so there's two R's, and I absolutely love this one. The way that's made, and this one here with this little dots on it. So cute. All right, and look, I love this. It comes with two, I think it's two of these sets. No, okay, so it's just one. You did it. And the next one is Senior Strong. Love it. All right, then we have an A. All right, and then it just goes on and on. You also have the little sticks here, or the little stakes is what I call them, to just put up in the, you know, this area that I was showing you. Okay, so my daughter and I are going to get it together, go outside, put it in the yard, and I'm going to let you see how it looks. All right, so let me show you some other items that I bought also. All of these links will be in the description box below. All right, class of 2022. Class of 2022, look, finally done. All right. All right, so here's some boxes that I purchased. It looks like this, and it just says Grad, and I think it says 2022. We're about to open it up, and we're about to check it out. All right, so let me see. It says, welcome to Bunny Chorus. I read reviews. Could you write a short review for other customers? All right. So I just went on Amazon looking, and I just ran upon this, the seller, and it's gold, which matches my daughter's school colors. That's very important to me, to make sure I match her school colors. All right, so let me open this so I can show you what it looks like. All right, y'all, so here it is. Once I open everything, and these are just like, you know, the boxes that you see. And all we have to do is just open it up and just put balloons in it. And they come in, let me see how many of these. One, I think it's 6. Grad. Yeah, I think it's 6 of these. I'm not sure. Let's see. 1, 2. Let me see. What is this? 1. Am I doing this right? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like 4 of them. All right, and it came with these. This here says you. Then it has of. And it has different ones here that you can place on there if you would like. Make it a proud. And then it has the numbers that you can spell out 2002. All right, then it has the G for graduate. All right, so it has all of these different letters that you can use. I am absolutely pleased with these. Like I said, I haven't put them together yet, but I will be vlogging my daughter's graduation as well as her graduation party pretty much the whole week. Then I'm giving her a graduation dinner. So I'm gonna be vlogging, so you all come back. I'm gonna let you know when the video is uploaded so that you can see all of this put together. All right. All right, y'all. So this was very important to me to get disposable plates, and I looked around on Amazon until I found the perfect plates for my daughter's graduation. And this is it. This name here, and they have 30 dessert plates in them. It has 30 dinner plates, 30 gold knives, 30 forks, and 30 spoons. So the people that's going to be here is probably going to be right at 30, all right, or less. So this is going to be absolutely perfect for her party, okay? And my daughter went ahead and opened it, but let me go ahead and just let you see how everything looks. I always like to make sure everything is in the box. You know, people make mistakes, so you just always want to open up everything just to make sure everything is in the box like it should. So these are the dessert plates. So as you see, if you can see that, you see how gorgeous these are. They are blue, dark blue, with the little gold around the rim. You see that gold right there? Absolutely beautiful. And I love because it's disposable. So once we serve dinner, everyone eats, they can take the plate and throw it in the trash. I don't want to keep them, okay? These are the dessert plates. So you know, for anyone who wants dessert, they can put the dessert here. And what I love about it, it came with forks. Now these forks, knives, spoons are absolutely beautiful. I love them, but they are disposable. So once, you know, I get to eat from them, they're going in the trash. All right. So there's the spoon. Let me show you the spoon. All right, and I'm going to show you the knives. Okay, so these are the knives right there, and as you see, everything is consistent with the color scheme. That is very important to me. I like to make sure that my color scheme is together, it matches. Okay. All right, so now we're coming over here to the plastic cups. Like I said, these are disposable also. So I want to keep the colors blue and gold, or blue and yellow. So I got these plastic glitter cups, and it comes in a pack of 50. All right, and let's see, what else do I have in here? Oh, I ordered these. Now these are like the little, what do you call it? The little things that go on the outside of the door, and they hang on, it's like a banner, but they hang on the sides of the door. And I'm going to show you that once I put those up. All right, and also I have these with this, and this is one of the signs that just hang, it's like a banner also, but it hangs like on a fence or something like that. And this one here you can put pictures in. All right. All right, another thing that I wanted, and this was the cheapest that I found it. I got this at Walmart, so make sure you don't sleep on Walmart because they have a lot of nice event things also. But I decided to buy her a card box, and I could have made one, but I did not have time. So this was just $4.98. I always round up, so $5. And it just says 2022. And it doesn't necessarily match with the colors. It has the gold in it, but it doesn't have the blue. It has black. But you know what? It will be okay. All right, so something else, and this is something that I just decided to buy her when I was just looking and I saw this. And it has a crown. I absolutely love it. It just says Grad. Let me see. It's picking up on the camera now. It says Grad. And it has this little you know, what do you call it? A little thing that go across your shirt. I'm trying to open it. And it just says, I graduated. You can see right here. Alright, it says I graduated. And I think this is absolutely cute. It has the diploma. And it's gold and blue, the colors that I wanted. Alright, and we're going to let her take some pictures in that.